Cloves versus avocado in all round. Cloves and avocados are two very different ingredients with distinct flavors, uses, and nutritional profiles. Let's explore the flavor profiles of cloves and avocados in more detail. Cloves. Flavor profile. Cloves have a unique and intense flavor profile characterized by a combination of sweetness, spiciness, and a hint of bitterness. Taste. The primary taste associated with cloves is sweetness, which is often described as warm and rich. This sweetness is complemented by a spicy and pungent aspect that can be quite powerful. Aroma. Cloves have a strong, aromatic scent that is warm and inviting. The aroma is often used in various culinary applications to add depth and complexity to dishes. Avocado. Flavor profile. Avocado has a mild, creamy, and buttery flavor with a subtle nuttiness. It is known for its relatively neutral taste, which allows it to pair well with a wide range of other ingredients. Taste. Avocado's taste is often described as creamy and smooth, with a hint of nuttiness. Its mildness allows it to take on the flavors of other ingredients it's paired with. Texture. In addition to its flavor, avocado is also known for its creamy texture, making it a popular choice for spreads, dips, and salads. In summary, cloves have a bold and intense flavor profile characterized by sweetness and spiciness, while avocados offer a mild and creamy taste with a touch of nuttiness. These flavor profiles make them suitable for different culinary applications and dishes, depending on the desired taste and texture in a recipe. Certainly, let's delve into the various uses of cloves and avocados. Cloves. Culinary uses. Spices. Cloves are used as a spice in a wide range of dishes, including soups, stews, curries, and rice dishes. They are often added whole or ground to provide a warm and spicy flavor. Baking. Ground cloves are a common ingredient in baking, especially in recipes like pumpkin pie, gingerbread cookies, and fruitcakes. Beverages. Cloves can be used to infuse flavor into hot beverages such as chai tea and mulled wine. Pickling. Whole cloves are sometimes used in pickling recipes, adding flavor to pickled fruits and vegetables. Medicinal uses. Oral health. Cloves have traditionally been used for their analgesic properties and are sometimes applied to alleviate toothaches or used in oral care products. Digestive aid. Cloves may aid digestion and relieve digestive discomfort when consumed in moderation. Aromatherapy and potpourri. Clove essential oil is used in aromatherapy for its soothing and aromatic properties. Dried cloves can be added to potpourri mixtures for their pleasant fragrance. Avocado. Culinary uses. Salads. Avocado slices or chunks are commonly added to salads for their creamy texture and mild, buttery flavor. Guacamole. Avocado is the main ingredient in guacamole, a popular dip or condiment often served with chips or as a topping for various dishes. Sandwiches and wraps. Avocado is a popular ingredient in sandwiches, wraps, and burritos, adding a creamy and nutritious element. Smoothies. Avocado can be blended into smoothies to enhance their creaminess and provide healthy fats. Sushi. Avocado is a common component in sushi rolls, adding a creamy contrast to the other ingredients. Healthy fat substitute. Avocado can be used as a healthy alternative to butter or mayonnaise in recipes, contributing creaminess and a dose of beneficial monounsaturated fats. Beauty and skin care. Avocado oil, extracted from the fruit, is used in skincare and beauty products for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Beverages. Avocado can be blended into smoothies, milkshakes, and even cocktails to add creaminess and nutrition. In summary, cloves are primarily used as a spice and flavoring agent in cooking and baking, with some traditional medicinal uses. On the other hand, avocados are versatile in culinary applications, from salads and dips to sandwiches and even beauty products, thanks to their creamy texture and mild, buttery flavor. The health benefits associated with cloves and avocados. Cloves. Antioxidant properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly compounds like eugenol and flavonoids. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Eugenol, a key component of cloves, has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body. This property can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Digestive aid. Cloves have been traditionally used to aid digestion. They can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas by promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes. Oral health. Cloves have antimicrobial and analgesic properties, making them useful for dental care. They may help alleviate toothaches, gum pain, and bad breath. Controlled blood sugar. Some studies suggest that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function, which could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Possible cancer prevention. Some research has indicated that the compounds in cloves, including eugenol, may have anti-cancer properties and could potentially inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Avocado. Heart health. Avocados are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known to be heart healthy. Consuming monounsaturated fats may help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Nutrient-dense. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins. These nutrients play various roles in maintaining overall health. Dietary fiber. Avocados are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Eye health. The carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin found in avocados are beneficial for eye health. They may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Skin health. The healthy fats and vitamin E in avocados can contribute to healthy, radiant skin. Avocado oil is also used topically in skincare products. Weight management. Despite their calorie content, avocados can be part of a weight management plan because they are filling and provide healthy fats that may help control appetite. Bone health. Avocados contain vitamin K, which is essential for bone health as it helps in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. It's important to note that while cloves and avocados offer potential health benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Individual health outcomes can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary recommendations. Nutritional value. Here's a breakdown of the nutritional value of cloves and avocados. Cloves, per 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, approximately 2 grams. Calories, 6. Carbohydrates, 1.4 grams. Fiber, 0.7 grams. Fat, 0.3 grams. Protein, 0.1 grams. Vitamins and minerals, approximate values. Vitamin K, 1% of the daily value, DV. Calcium, 1% of the DV. Iron, 2% of the DV. Magnesium, 1% of the DV. Cloves are primarily used as a spice, and they are typically consumed in small quantities, so their nutritional contribution to a diet is limited. However, they are valued for their flavor and potential health benefits, especially their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Avocado, per 1/2 medium avocado, approximately 100 grams. Calories, 160. Carbohydrates, 8.5 grams. Fiber, 6.7 grams. Fat, 14.7 grams, mainly monounsaturated fat. Protein, 2 grams. Vitamins and minerals, approximate values. Vitamin K, 20% of the DV. Vitamin C, 10% of the DV. Vitamin E, 10% of the DV. Vitamin B6, 10% of the DV. Folate, 20% of the DV. Potassium, 10% of the DV. Magnesium, 7% of the DV. Avocado is known for being nutrient-dense, and it's particularly rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which contribute to its calorie content. It's also a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Avocado's combination of nutrients makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially for heart health and overall well-being. Keep in mind that serving sizes can vary, and the nutritional content of avocados may change depending on their size and ripeness. It's important to consume avocados in moderation as part of a well-rounded diet. More details about the nutritional value of avocados and cloves. Avocado. Healthy fats. The predominant type of fat in avocados is monounsaturated fat, specifically oleic acid. Monounsaturated fats are considered heart-healthy and may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Dietary fiber. Avocados are a good source of dietary fiber, with a significant portion of their carbohydrate content coming from fiber. This fiber promotes digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness. Potassium. Avocado contains potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper heart and muscle function. Adequate potassium intake may help regulate blood pressure. Vitamins and minerals. Avocado is rich in several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health, vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, vitamin E, an antioxidant that promotes skin health, vitamin B6, important for metabolism and brain development, and folate, essential for cell division. Low sugar content. Avocados are naturally low in sugar, making them suitable for those who need to watch their sugar intake, such as individuals with diabetes. Phytonutrients. Avocados contain various phytonutrients, including carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. Cloves. Antioxidants. Cloves are a rich source of antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The primary antioxidant compound in cloves is eugenol, which has potent antioxidant properties. Vitamins and minerals. While cloves are not a significant source of vitamins and minerals when consumed in small quantities, they do provide small amounts of vitamin K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Essential oils. Cloves are valued not only for their culinary uses but also for their essential oil, which contains concentrated compounds like eugenol. Clove essential oil is used for various purposes, including aromatherapy and topical applications. Medicinal use. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for their potential to alleviate dental pain, aid digestion, and provide relief from respiratory issues. They are sometimes used in herbal remedies and natural health products. In summary, avocados are a nutrient-dense food known for their healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Cloves, while not a significant source of macronutrients, are valued for their flavor and the potential health benefits of their antioxidants and compounds like eugenol, especially when used in small quantities as a spice or remedy. Let's continue with more details about the nutritional value of avocados and cloves. Avocado. Monounsaturated fats. Avocados are particularly rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to have a positive impact on heart health. These healthy fats can help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, in the blood, which is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Phytochemicals. Avocados contain various phytochemicals, including carotenoids like beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and lutein. These compounds have antioxidant properties and may contribute to overall health. Folate. Avocados are a good source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is important for DNA synthesis, cell growth, and tissue repair. It is especially important during pregnancy for fetal development. Potassium. Avocado is relatively high in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, maintain proper muscle function, and support overall cardiovascular health. Fiber content. Avocado's fiber content not only aids in digestion but also helps promote a feeling of fullness, which can assist in weight management. Low sugar and low carb. Avocados have minimal sugar and are relatively low in carbohydrates, making them suitable for low carb and ketogenic diets. Cloves. Eugenol. The compound eugenol found in cloves has been studied for its potential health benefits, including its role as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial agent. It may also have analgesic, pain-relieving, properties. Dental health. Cloves have been used historically in dental care due to their eugenol content. They can provide relief from toothaches and gum pain and are sometimes used in toothpaste and oral care products. Gastrointestinal benefits. Cloves may help alleviate digestive issues such as indigestion, gas, and bloating by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. Antimicrobial properties. Eugenol has antimicrobial properties that may help fight bacteria and other pathogens. It's sometimes used as a natural preservative in food products. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that eugenol and other compounds in cloves may have anti-cancer properties and could inhibit the growth of cancer cells, although more research is needed in this area. Traditional medicine. Cloves have a history of use in traditional medicine systems around the world for their potential health benefits, including their ability to support respiratory health. In summary, avocados are celebrated for their monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to heart health, eye health, and overall well-being. Cloves, on the other hand, are valued not only for their flavor but also for the potential health benefits of their compounds, especially eugenol, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties and may offer relief in various health contexts. However, cloves are typically used in small quantities due to their strong flavor. In summary, cloves and avocados serve very different purposes in cooking and have distinct flavors and nutritional profiles. Cloves are a spice used for their strong, sweet, and spicy flavor, while avocados are a creamy, nutritious fruit used for their mild and versatile taste. Both can be valuable ingredients in their respective culinary contexts.